Hello everybody, welcome back. We're in Hot Springs, Arkansas, and this is the old Missouri Pacific Railroad Depot. So, on the other side of the building, right where I'm showing you, is where the track used to sit. Wait, I'm kind of confused. Where did the track sit? Couldn't have gone into now. I'm kind of confused. But the track used to sit somewhere around here. But this is the old Missouri Pacific Rail Depot. It is now a bus stop. It is now a bus stop. Okay, so I'm guessing the tracks used to sit right here. Now curve down this way. Probably isn't too sharp curve, so I'm not sure. Alright guys. Well, this is the old Missouri Pacific Railroad Depot. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.